Welcome to California Favors for You. We are showing a demonstration of the Holiday Express G-Scale electric train set. This train set has 4 different cars. It has a locomotive, it has a tree tender car, it has a candy cane car, and a caboose. All the 4 trains are animated, light up, and have different voices and have different sounds, which we will demonstrate later. It comes on an oval track which has 16 pieces, and here are the controls which run the train. You have a part that connects to the track, you have the control board, and the transformer. Now we will start the train up so you can hear it, see it run, and here we go. The train has different speeds, so you can slow it down or speed it up. It has a volume control, a mute, and it has different things. We'll go through it. Here's Santa's Ho-Ho. There's the bell, whistle, and the all aboard. There's a stop function. And now we'll go in reverse. Each car has a little different animation on it that shows different guys working as they're going through it. All the lights and all the animated parts on it work. This train set will be a nice introduction to anybody's new Christmas around the tree, or just having it just to show off during the Christmas holiday spirit. Thank you.